Hello and welcome to PCMINR.com, and you're watching this video to understand how to differentiate using the sum rule by Sonal Gupta. So we have a question here which says find the derivative or ddx of x cube plus 1 into x minus 2 upon x square. Now you need to see here that because this is just a single term x square in the denominator, so we can open the brackets in the numerator and separate all the terms in order to use the sum rule. Like what can we do here? We would write it as, first we'll open the bracket in the numerator, so we get x cube minus x4 minus 2x cube plus x minus 2 and this upon x square. Now to find the derivative of this, we would just separate all the terms. So that means we want to evaluate the ddx of x to the power 4 upon x square minus 2x cube upon x square plus x upon x square and minus 2 upon x square. So we have separated all the terms, and now you can easily use the sum rule or the difference rule. So differentiating the first term, this would become x square. So you're going to differentiate, I'll write that step also. So differentiate x square minus, here x square and x cube would get cancelled and we get minus 2x plus x upon x square. So we get 1 by x, we can write as x raised to the power minus 1, and minus 2 upon x square means we'll write as x raised to the power minus 2. So what do we get? Differentiate each term separately. So x squared derivative is 2x minus 2x derivative is 2 plus x raised to the power minus 1. So that minus 1 would come here as the multiple and you get minus 1 into x raised to the power minus 2, because in differentiation we go on decreasing the powers by 1, and minus 2 into this minus 2 would come here, so we get plus 4, minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4, x raised to the power minus 3. So our final answer would be 2x minus 2 minus 1 upon x square plus 4 upon x cube. That's it. So I hope you understood this, how to use the sum rule where we can actually separate all the terms in order to differentiate the terms separately. If you find this video helpful, please like us, subscribe us and follow us on Instagram and Facebook at PCMINR.com. Thank you for watching.